What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And y'all already know what today's video gonna be. We're gonna be doing a wig review on Elva's wigs. I think this is my first time working with them, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how I wash this wig, condition this wig, put this wig on, and you know, simple stuff like that. So we basically gonna get into it. This is the packaging that is shipped in. I want to say it's shipped with DHL or FedEx, one of them, but this is what it came in. The box was kind of bent up. I didn't like that, but it's no biggie. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so when I open the box up, this is how it comes. Like I said, the box was really messed up. So this is the wig. This is a coupon code, say 15 through $99 off, I guess, or whatever. Also, they're promoting their 361 lace wig. I don't know what that is. I only heard of 360, but this is how it looks. They also sent me some lashes, and they sent me a wig cap, and they sent me a little booklet, I guess promoting their wigs. I don't know. This is how it looks. Also, they sent me a comb and an adjustable band if I want to sew it onto my wig. Alright, so this is how the wig came. And I noticed on the packaging it said a 12-inch. I asked them for a 14-inch. So I don't know if they got that like mixed up or whatever, but I guess it's fine. And I'm going to show y'all how the wig comes. So fresh off the pack, this is how the wig looks. It kind of looks like it's in its natural color, which is brown. I'm going to take this net off of it. Alright, so this is how the wig is looking. It's looking a little short, but it might stretch out, you know, because it's curly hair. But this is how the hairline look. I'm going to come in and show y'all. This is how the hairline looks. It looks like it's pre-plucked and stuff like that. So, and it does have like a part in it. I'm going to probably go deeper with that part because that's just too small. And yeah, the hairline does look plucked. Like, it do look plucked. But I'm going to go in and probably pluck that a little bit more to spice it up. Because y'all know how I like my wigs. So, I'm going to show y'all the inside. This is the inside construction. This part is really kind of wide versus some other wigs that I've used. They got combs in it. Got one comb right here, one in the middle, and one over there. So in total it has 1, 2, 3. It has 4 combs. So that's like extra security for your wigs, and it feels like it's really stretchable, and the hair feels really soft. I'm gonna just run my fingers through it and see if I experience some shedding or something. I'm getting a few shedding strands, not too much, but that's normal with curly hair and just hair in general. So I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but not too much. So I'm going to go ahead and wash and shampoo this hair. I'm going to show y'all how I do that and what I use. And we just going to get right into laying the wig down because I'm about to wear this today. Alright guys, this is my finished look of this wig. Y'all done seen me finesse it. I done plucked it. I done fake bleached the knots. I done installed it and all, and this is how it looks. To me, it's really cute. It's low maintenance ever because I'm really not gonna have to do too much to my hair. I showed y'all this product that I used on it called Curl Max. I put that on. My hair can be good, like curly, like defined like this, for like a week. Unless I was to like sleep on my hair or something like that, but I put my bun on at night and I'd be good to go. So like I mentioned, they did send me a 12-inch. They were supposed to send me a 14-inch. However, I'm not complaining. I really love this length because if y'all know me, y'all know I hate short hair with a passion, but it's something about this curly hair, this short curly hair, I've been loving it. So y'all, this wig is super cute. It looks kind of kinky to me, but y'all, these curls are super soft. I really don't want to go through and like unravel them because I don't want it to look a mess, but these curls are super soft. I haven't received no shedding nor tangling since I've actually plucked the wig and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna rate this hair a 10. The curl pattern is on point. Like, it is so tight. It looks so kinky to me, but it's so cute. I'm not mad. Like I said, I'm not mad about them sending me a 12-inch because I really love this length on me. It looks kind of natural to me, so that's probably why I like it. The shipping was super quick. As soon as they gave me my tracking number, they shipped it out like right then and there. Like, y'all know how some companies give you a tracking number and don't ship it till like days later? Well, they actually sent my wig like the same day, within the same hour. So I really did like that. I want to say the package came within like 2 days because I got FedEx, and FedEx is really quick where I stay at, so the shipping was really quick. I really didn't care for the packaging, but that wasn't a problem because the wig is really bomb. Like, y'all, I am in love with this wig. Like, y'all about to see this wig on my Instagram. Like, this all I'm about to be wearing. All my links gonna be in the description bar, and it's gonna be in the video. Y'all already know. Also, don't forget to go and subscribe and like me and my boyfriend's video. We started a couples channel. We're gonna be doing like pranks, vlogs, challenges, all type of stuff, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna put that in the description bar, our channel and all that. Y'all make sure to go follow us on all our social media and all stuff like that. So shout out to Elva Wigs for sending me this wig. I am in love with it. I don't have no problems with this hair. If I do, I will let y'all know in the comment. Like, I'll pin it, but I doubt it because, y'all, this hair is really soft and it is so cute. Like, it is so cute. It looks really natural. I did do my baby hair a little bit. I tried to, tried to finesse it. I'm not really good with the baby hairs, but I be trying. So, like I said, shout out to them for this bomb wig. I will probably be working with them again in the future because, like I said, I'm having no problems.